It is currently 51 degrees, very, very windy, and you can see the waves. Very few people. There's some lifeguards. I guess they're lifeguards. They look like they're doing some training over there near the pier. But because of the wind and the chill, it's keeping many people away. I mean, there are some people sleeping. You got one, two, a third one down there, and then I saw another one over there. All the sea foam, waves crashing pretty hard. Even though it's chilly and pretty windy, I still think this is the most peaceful spot. It just grounds me and centers me. There's a giant boat out there, a ship. Another one over there. It's even so windy, there's not many birds out. This is usually filled with birds. Anytime I can, I take a few minutes, just come down here and enjoy this.